Welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. Actually, this is a video about my passion fruit plant, and it is mostly the vines are on the terrace region only. So from the terrace I could see a small waterfall far away. If you zoom it, you could see nicely a small white line in the middle. There is a mountain little bit far away. So from the terrace we can see the mountain and the waterfall. So since I came up, I showed you that. So this is the plant. The plant is having fruits. See the fruit, and it has fruits and where is it? This is another fruit. Now I can see only two fruits, but many buds are there and flowers are also there. Open flower is in that side of the plant. I will show you that. Actually, the flower is like this. It is very fragrant also. The main requirement of this plant is sunlight. If you plant it in an area where there is not much sunlight, it won't flower. Only leaf foliage will be there. So that is why I have taken it to the terrace where it will get at least 60% of the sunlight, because it is in the eastern side of my garden. The plant has lot of buds, you can see. And it is covered in ants also. The buds are covered in ants, but the ants won't do any harm to the plant. It has honey in it to see the buds. Many buds are there, but some of the blooms are eaten up by our squirrels. See, one flower is there, because I have many birds and squirrels in this area. So most of the time they only eat up the fruits, and the flowers also they destroy. And how to grow them is, you can always take a vine, a mature vine of this size, and root it in sand, river sand. I have grown this plant like that only. So that is the easiest way. When you grow from the stem, it will flower easily. It will grow fast also. When you grow from the seeds, it will be difficult. It will take some time. Growing from the seed is, you can just take out the seeds, and it is just like it will be looking like tomato seeds, and you can dry them. Then you can sow them in river sand and garden soil mix, and it will grow. As small saplings will come, and then you can grow. The important thing about this plant is to have good sunlight. Without sunlight it won't flower. That is if location of the plant is very important. Then fertilizing is, here I am fertilizing it with organic fertilizer only. Twice in a year only I give this cow dung fertilizer or sheep dung fertilizer. This year I have given every plant sheep dung fertilizer because I got some. These are the buds. See, the whole, many buds are there. The plant is covered in bud. And you can give potash rich fertilizer. You can give wood ash. The buds are covered in ants. And in the summer season you need to water them regularly. Now this is the rainy season, so I don't have to water. And when you can grow them in pot also, if you don't have a space, then you can give it a trellis to grow, and many people grow them in a pot by giving trellis. But in that case, if only you keep them in a place where it gets good sunlight, it will fruit. But since it is growing, you can see how big it has grown. So it is grown so wild, so it produces fruits, flowers, everything together. If conditions are good, it doesn't wait for the season. Actually the fruits have come from the earlier flowers, and now the buds and flowers are there. This is a vining plant you can grow in propagation. If pest attack, here only the squirrels eat up the flowers. Other than that, I haven't found any pest attack in this plant. See, it climbs with this type of tendrils. The scientific name is Passiflora edulis. See, the one tendril got attached with another tendril. So we will end the video on the waterfall. So this is all about our passion fruit plant. If you like the video, press the like button. If you are a first time viewer, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.